Of course, a user wants to have an interface in an application, and this is the third part of the SAP Business Application Studio series, where we deal with the front-end development. Have fun.
SAPUI5 is a JavaScript framework and UI library for creating front-end applications. As it's based on HTML5, the browser used for the application must support it. Over the view, you can open the command palette, and there with Fury the Open Application Generator is opened. I select here a basic Fury application. For the data source, you pick the local CAP project, which was created in the step before. The service will be recognized automatically. This means you do not have to implement this on code side. After clicking on Finish, you will land on the overview page of the application. You can see attributes of the application there again. In addition, the app folder is now much fuller, as the generated app can be found there. It is directly integrated into the previous created CAP project. At this point, I'm only going to go through the project once. I'm not changing anything here. I just want to give you a few insights. If you want to read more in detail, just pause the video briefly. Here we have the desired end result. We have only included this section to show you how quickly changes are applied. I changed the title from Startseite, which means in German homepage, to actually homepage, and it is implemented immediately afterwards.
I hope this series about the SAP Business Application Studio has helped you. Have fun developing and see you next time. Bye.